If you left the house this morning, these were the sights and sounds of your morning.
But since then, the snow has wound down a bit. Roads are getting better out there. And now we're waiting for the next round. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us. I'm Susan Shaw.
And I'm Emily Leonard. Grand Rapids schools have called off evening activities and afternoon kindergarten, so we're expecting more trouble. So let's get to Matt Kirkwood, who's tracking what's next. Matt?
Sue and Emily, right now, round one is winding down. We still have some freezing drizzle out here right now, but it's not so bad when it falls on fresh snow, which we're noticing in many areas picking up 3 to 4 inches. Take a look at that in just a moment. But first, let's check out a wide view of West Michigan under a fresh coating of snow and ice. We'll drop south to Kalamazoo, where I saw reports anywhere from about 2/10 to around close to 4/10 of sleet and freezing rain. Not the best commutes out there this morning, and timing is everything. The heaviest precip occurred this morning. Now we're getting kind of a lull in the action outside of this little bit of freezing drizzle. Okay, here's the latest in terms of the snow, and I say the latest because more is on the way. Greenville coming in with the most at 5.4 inches so far. Rockford around 5 inches. Lesser amounts once you head to the south and further north. Hastings and Big Rapids coming in with 2 inches. Officially at the airport, 2.8 inches. But again, more's on the way. Here's the latest on Storm Track Live radar. You'll be able to see that light mix out there right now, but expanding the radar. Heavier snow on the other side of the lake is going to wrap in. Also an area of snow off to the south coming at us from Indiana. Both are going to converge right over us, and that's why we have a winter weather advisory and a winter storm warning continuing right through 1 o'clock on Wednesday. That's for the second round heading our way. That's going to create slippery conditions late this afternoon into the evening hours. Temperatures, you can see a wide range. Many areas still below the freezing mark. I-96 and to the north. Here's a look at the day planner featuring that snow and wind increasing later this afternoon into the evening hours. Not good traveling. I'll have that and the potential of another storm system later in the week.